Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sakat Hussain Him. I am a student of Daffodil International University Department of English. My university ID is 23210-077. I am from Dhamrai and I am really happy to introduce myself through this video resume. I always try to learn new things and improve myself every day. I complete my secondary school certificate in 2020 from Jahanagar University School and College under the Commerce Group. I got a GPA 4.00 in SSC. After that, I finished my higher school certificate in 2022 from Savar Model College, the Commerce Group with GPA 5.00. Now I am studying the Department of English at Daffodil International University. Studying English is helping me to become confident and communication in reading, writing and presentation skill. I have learned to express my idea clearly and to work with different people in group, project and class activities. I am a hardworking, friendly and honest people. I always try to complete my work on time. I can easily work with a team and also take responsibility when needed. I have good skill in public speaking, English communication and time management. Besides that, I love reading books, watching motivational video and learning about new culture and idea. Sometimes I always enjoy travel and spending time with my friend and family. I believe that learning from real life experience is as important as classroom learning. In future, I want to study abroad and learn more about English language and world culture. I also dream of doing business in the future. I want to create opportunities for others. My goal is want to be a successful person when can help society and make my family proud. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.